Hello, good morning. I am Nitish. I will discuss about how can good machine design. This is a webinar to aware about how to make good machines. Everyone know machines are very difficult, complex, and he also regular homes are available in Silai machines to stitching clothes to easy way. Uh, Previously, usually anyone have to use in hand through any stitching of the cloth, but nowadays, regular homes are using us stitching machines to use it, and there are various type of machines are various purpose. Everyone know previous drilling is a very tough and hard work, but nowadays you using a simple product like connect with electricity and a little bit provide a force and using various type of drill bits and use to different type of holes like using up this one. Okay, uh, that's why I've discussed about the machines, what is machines and importance of the machine for engineers roles, and how to create new and better machines and how to existing improvement. Everything also is a machine designs. Everyone check a benefit because everyone buy a mobile phone, anything are checking every time so, how much cost of this product and what is the output value and productive performance and everything. As like a mobile phone, everyone check it, what is the camera, what is the working speeds and productivity, and where what is the extra features on that. That's a similar way of in designers and engineers are every times are research and work on how to increase the productivity, efficiency, and quality of the products like that. And also, all of things is a minimum cost. That's the main challenge of existing improvement. Machine design is a defined as a specific uh, scientific principle, technical information, and imagination. It's a combination of a whole of things are using every research and scientific principles are using how to work the machine. That's my requirement. Okay, and according to the requirement, all of machines are work every process but every process how to do that, that's the using a principle of the scientific work, technicality and information and imagination design. Machine designs are also use of various imaginations and or mechanical systems, electrical and computer systems are many specify a function with economical and efficiency. Also, machine are creativity of new designs or improvement of existing ones, and also uh, im- uh, after all of the machines, everyone know about the washing machine. Everyone buy a washing machines. Is everything are such like what is the feature these machines like the capacity 6.5 top load semi-automatic and 5 star idea of a 4 to 6 family size, 4 washing programs, impeller washing technology like that, and what is the warranty, everything are considering in design phase. That the is the main element of the machines. uh, Strength and rigidity, wear resistance, and minimum dimension and weight. It's mean that how much area is occupied that machines. This is this one things. And again, manufacturability, how to manufacture it, safety, what is the safety of that one? That's the ratings of the products. Okay, and comfort of the standards, which standards are organized at reliable, maintainable, and minimum life of cost. That's the all the elements are researched by engineers. Then I would decide what type of features I provide the customer and what is the warranty and everything. Every life is depends on the material, because materials is not long lasting. It depends on the material life. If anyone know about the iron is take iron and uh, outside the hold that, it's a more time take after then I'm rusting and then decaying and the destroy of the material. Similarly, all the materials are various of type of life and loads, capacity and strength. Everything's are there. That's the all the if parts are using like out of the environment, that's the choosing material is a different, and inside the home is also the material is different, and use the space is also is different. That's why according to the condition situations, our material selections are very difficult. That the using that thing. M- Various manufacturing capacity are market. It's plastic, metals, non-metals, and various process bolt joint like a bolting, a screw, and more of things. That the complexity are molded according to the my requirement, and how to all of the manufacturing consideration according to product quality and my requirement. More of product, it's the technical language: toughness, malleability, ductility, brittleness and hardness. According to this, are capable to ensure my products is good, or what type or like life of the product. So generally every machine designs are main goal scenario. It's a need or aim, like finding the problems and how to fix it, and synthesize is mainly decide this problem, which process are do that is easiest and minimum cost and minimum time. And after then all the process are completed, then go to the forces calculations, what type of force are required according the force and things, and all of the material, all of conditions are calculated. After then material selections, and which materials are using that the proper way, and according to the define the design elements, which one is the plastic part and which this metal part, with the motor required or everything. After then have a modification according to the requirements, all the work is properly, then go to the detailed drawing, and after drawings are released to production unit. Production to proper the machines, lot of machines are there produce in like washing machines, and then after productions are done, then go to the shop and take it in a simple way like a credit card and online purchase it and then take it. And after then your machines are work properly according to the parameter, and every times are researching and more technology and more of things. Thank you.